Hi, my name is Anna, and I am double majoring in applied mathematics and French, and I'm one of these student staff members here at BeAM. BeAM is a collection of makerspaces around UNC's campus where anyone can come in to create, design, innovate, and really just have fun. BeAM is open to everyone within the university systems. That includes students, faculty, staff, and anyone with a PID. BeAM provides a variety of trainings, workshops, and tools that you can use to make whatever you would like. We also provide a wide variety of materials at no cost, including 3D printer filament, fabric scraps, as well as wood and acrylic to use on the laser cutter. People come in here for a variety of reasons. We have students who come in to work on projects for class. We have entrepreneurs who come in and invent some really amazing things. We even have researchers who come and create precise instrumentation for use on their projects, as well as just people who want to make presents for their friends and family. BeAM is still open during the fall of 2020, though we do have some limited capacity due to safety reasons. We are still here supporting coursework, research, and entrepreneurship. We are working really hard to follow all COVID regulations, including safe social distancing and constant sanitation. So Murray is our kind of main makerspace, and here we have some of my favorite tools. We have the digital fabrication room where we have a variety of 3D printers that are there to fit your every need. We also have an electronics room known as Bliss. Here we have everything from circuit components to soldering stations. So you can come in here to make a project from scratch, or if you have something that broke, you can come in to repair it. We also have 2 laser cutters, and these cut anything from wood to marble to even denim. And I would say that these are some of the most popular tools here at BeAM. We also have a textile area filled with a variety of different sewing machines. Lots of people are coming in right now to make their masks. I actually made this one here at BeAM. And if you want to make it, we also have instructions on how to do so. We have a variety of different hand tools that you can use here at BeAM. Anything from power drills to screwdrivers to hot glue guns. We even have a bike stand where you can come, bring in your broken bike, and fix it right here in BeAM. We also have the custom shop where you can modify your wardrobe in any way that you want. We have an embroidery machine. You can embroider onto jackets. I've seen t-shirts, pants, even hats. We also have a vinyl cutter, so you can cut anything from stickers to t-shirts. We also have a wood shop that has industrial grade equipment as well as introductory level equipment. Additionally, we have my personal favorite, the ShopBot, which carves out 3-dimensional pieces using a drill bit that moves along a predetermined path. We also have a metal shop where students can bend, engrave, and cut metal. If you want to learn more about us, check out beam.unc.edu for information on our tools, trainings, and events. When the pandemic hit, BeAM never really shut down. Instead, we focused all of our efforts into making face shields for hospital workers. Here's Glenn, who really spearheaded this entire campaign, to tell you a little bit more about BeAM's efforts.
UNC Healthcare, which is not just the UNC hospitals here in Chapel Hill, but they are clinics and hospitals around the state. They said, based on our current rate of use and our current inventory, we need you guys to produce 40,000 face shields for us in 1 month. Kind of an arbitrary target, but it was based on data that they told us that they had on inventory and usage. So here's a quick look at BeAM's primary Murray Hall space that was the command center for this operation. Here are some of the very earliest prototypes that we were making in-house before I got our fabricators on board. So we were doing all of the fabrication of these ourselves and getting these out for testing in the hospital. Here are our lead medical students during our early prototype testing. So this is still during week 1, and you can see all the stuff on the bench that we're just making these from scratch with whatever we got sitting around. And at the same time as we were very quickly narrowing in on a final design, we were getting the BeAM makerspace set up to look a lot like a manufacturing facility. So we bought things that people said, why are we buying that? But we bought roller conveyors and we bought uniform bins. And we were setting this up to be an efficient manufacturing operation. This is our control center. This is Colleen Kelly, who is my administrative assistant. She was also working on a mask design that people could come in and make themselves during this period of time. We had to have a strap cutter for the webbing that we used and the elastic straps. So doing it with scissors is not an option. These things fray when they're cut. So that's a very hot metal knife that will come down and cut the strapping material. And so I had a student, Chris Cataldo, come up with this jig that he built in the makerspace to not only cut the strap at an angle, but also pull away the smoke. Substantial smoke generated from this operation. And with this rig, we could actually cut a strap at a little bit faster than 1 per second. So this humble little thing actually operates at real manufacturing speeds. The first load of stuff came in. This is the big boxes are foam and the smaller boxes are visors. We also innovated a few little jigs to uniformly package the material. The operation in Murray Hall was designed to fill boxes with the materials needed to make 50 shields. Our need was to be able to produce 10,000 a week. That was our target. So 2,000 a day in a 5-day week. We could actually produce 2,000 mask kits in this space in about an hour and a half. Our operation downstairs in Venable was set up in the Keenan Science Library in the lobby. We had 10 assembly stations, and we had probably 200 volunteers on our list. There's our first shipment of 1,600. There's our final shipment of many thousand. And the outcomes. We made 41,150 face shields. It took us around 6 weeks. There were some lulls in it. And, we needed to give our fabricators a chance to catch up. They have other customers and we can't be just in time with all of them. The face shields weren't just provided to the hospitals here. They went out to the various UNC health clinics and hospitals around the state. They also authorized us to provide several thousand of them to a wide range of other care providers. So we have lots of them going to nursing homes. We've also been providing face shields to various UNC programs and labs. We provided all of Duke's elastic for all of their face shields. We also provided elastic to dozens of smaller groups that are making face shields and face masks all over the state. I don't know how to estimate it, but at least 100,000 people in the state of North Carolina have received a face shield or a face mask that was made with that elastic that was donated. So we actually had a distribution system set up for groups to put in a request and then schedule pickup of the elastic while we were doing all this. So we weren't just in the face shield business. The friendships and working partnerships that were reinforced here are amazing. We all recognize that we weren't ready for this in any way, shape, or form, but the systems, the structures that we created will probably need to come into play again in the future.
If you want to learn more about us, check out beam.unc.edu for information on our tools, trainings, and events.